Stephen Ritter here again. How are you? Hope everybody's doing all right with the coronavirus hunkering down in your hidey holes, wherever that may be. Really dusting off some of the old recipes, some of the old things that I like to make. And one thing that we love here in the South is our pimento cheese. So I'm going to work on today as a little homemade pimento cheese recipe. We're having hamburgers tonight, so what do you eat pimento cheese with? Well, you can do like grilled cheese sandwich with pimento cheese, or you could just eat them with crackers. That's the way your mama likes them, Benjamin. Benjamin's on camera. Say hi, Ben.
Hello.
So you can eat them with the crackers. I like putting a scoop of pimento cheese on a hamburger. There's a particular place in town here that serves them that way with pimento cheese and then a fried green tomato on top of a hamburger. That's very tasty. It's real easy. I'm going to do that. The recipe here at the end of the video, you'll see a little pop-up for an old recipe that Mom had for the smoky pimento cheese sandwich. She actually in that video uses red bell peppers, and she toasts them over a burner like a broiler. She'll toast them. The pimento is Capsicum annuum, I believe, is the species. It's a little more succulent, a little more flavorful than the red bell pepper. So the ingredients are down below. On your way down, as you're checking it out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is about as light as it gets naturally. I've got all the lights on in the house here, so some of you have been talking, give me some feedback on the light. Let me know what you think here. Maybe we'll just film during the day all the time. This is about the time you wake up, Benjamin, right? About 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Is that when you wake up now?
It's a little early to
College
wake up
boy.
for me, yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, a little early. I think the next step is maybe get a floodlight in here.
Yeah, probably so. I think you're right. So, really, there's not a whole lot to it. We got 2 cups. I've got sharp cheddar cheese. We got this from the store the other day. You can buy it in a block form, shred it yourself, or you can buy it shredded. This is a 8-ounce pack, which is about 2 cups. 2 cups of sharp, smells nice, shredded cheese. Now get a shot of this here too. So in case you haven't noticed, this was Mom's kitchen mixer. So this is my first time trying it. So I'll have Benjamin stand out of the blast area so he doesn't, no, you're all right. I'm sure you come on back in. So 2 cups of shredded cheese there. Okay, make sure we got it all. Okay. I've got 8 ounces of softened. So this is I've had this. It's been sitting out for a little while. Softened cream cheese. So this is something that Mom didn't use on her recipe. This is a little different. Doing it the old-fashioned way here with the teeth. So open this up. So it's just softened cream cheese. We're going to dump all this in here. And I'm going to get a knife here. This goes in the pot. So like we said, we like that pimento cheese around here. I even had a good friend of mine that he would make it with bagels. He would put a bagel with pimento cheese and bacon on it. That was his kind of a specialty. He had a little coffee shop that he ran, and he did that. I always thought that was cool. I haven't tried that yet, but we'll see. So I pretty much got most of this out of here, and we can follow up afterwards and clean this off, huh, Benjamin?
Yeah.
Now my hands are clean, so I'll clean them all up. So that's all going in there. Shame to waste that. Big fan of cream cheese, especially on bagels, but pimento cheese even better. So we've got that. We're going to go with a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. That's a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. A little shot of that in there, and I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder also. That goes in. You like pimento cheese, Ben?
Oh yeah. I like them pimento cheese fries. That's good.
Oh yeah, that's
That's
great.
good.
Yeah, that's another good way to put them on, right? You just big scoop of that on those French fries.
Yeah. Ooh,
That's
good.
at Page's, right?
Yeah, Page's Okra Grill, yeah.
That's pretty good. I've got a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now, the mayonnaise I like to use, now Mom will always like Kraft, and she would use that. I've gotten to where I'm a big fan of Duke's, and you can get this in the South. This is kind of a, I think babies are raised on this. I think you put the screw the nipple right on, and you can just, You believe that, Benjamin? No, he's shaking his head no. Yeah, that would be child abuse, I'm pretty sure, but maybe not. So I've got a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise here. I've already kind of pre-measured that. That's gonna go in here as well. And again, I really hope this mixer works right. And if you see this video, then it did. Right?
Yep.
If it explodes all over the house and my wife kills me, then you know that it didn't work. You won't see it. So, and then we've got salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna give a couple little shots here of salt. This is just the pink Himalayan salt because I like the taste of it. And then, now Mom never used pepper because she was allergic to it, but I'm just put a little bit of pepper in here. A couple of twists of that, just to taste. And the last thing is pimentos, and again, we talked about them already. And there we go. And I'm gonna pour these in, I'm gonna drain them. I've got to kind of drain some of the juice off here. This is just that capsicum annum, and it's pickled, so it's some kind of a brine pickling juice to help them keep. Okay, that is everything in there. So that's how's that look? That's everything in there. All right, here's the moment of truth, Benjamin. See if this works.
All right.
I might have to get the old-fashioned mixer out if it doesn't. So put the top down, lock it in place, and put it on the lowest setting. Let's see how this works.
Let's see.
It's mixing up pretty good.
A couple big old things of cream cheese in there still.
Yeah, we'll speed it up and mix it up. Yeah, you can really smell it.
Yeah, it smells
Do
like
you have the
pimento.
smell-o-vision button pushed on the camera?
Oh, I forgot to put. Yeah, let me press that button.
There it is now.
All right.
You ought to be able to smell that now. Let me know if you can't. We'll adjust the smell-o-vision. That looks like pimento cheese, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Pick it up a little higher. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's a lot better than doing it by hand, isn't it?
Yeah.
That looks about done. What do you think?
Yeah, looks all mixed up.
All right, so, all right, you're the guinea pig. You get to try it. So, tell me what you think. All right, Benjamin's gonna try this.
All right. Let me just use this spoon.
You get the spoon. Try a little dab. Tell me what you think.
Tastes like pimento cheese.
Does it need a little
I feel like it needs pepper.
pepper?
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe. All right. All right. Let me try it. Let me try a little dab here. Take that back. All right. Let me see. Cook always gets a.
A big old help in there.
Yeah. That's good. Doesn't need pepper. It's good. That's it. Now we're going to take this and we're going to, obviously we're not going to let any of this on here go to waste. We'll make sure that gets, that's like licking the spoon after you make the cake, right?
Yeah.
So none of that's going to go to waste. And what we're going to do is use this on our hamburgers tonight. I am anyway. Are you?
Perhaps.
Perhaps so. So, or, you know, set it aside for sandwiches tomorrow or grilled cheese or anything else. So, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Let me know when you try it. And any other questions? Any other questions for the Colonel, Benjamin?
No.
No? All right, so cooking with the Colonel. Is that what we're calling this now?
That's what you're calling it. I never agreed to that.
You never agreed to that. All right, well, whatever. You know, vote. You guys tell me what this should be called. So, anyway, if no other questions, from you, Benjamin?
No, all right.
Any other snarky little comments or anything else?
No, I'll get back to you.
Get back off camera, right?
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, if there's nothing else, over and out. See you next time.